Yo, so reporting to you live, this is Coach Ron's birthday today, and you know the whole saying, black don't crack. Prime example right here. All right, best shape of his life currently. Yo, if you want to see him in season 3, right, because season 3 is upon us.
Okay.
Actually, season 2 is about to wrap up.
Okay.
But yo,
Season 3 is gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy. I've been trying to tell him, like, yo, let's do this podcast thing. So I'm gonna have him like held accountable right here. All right. So he's gonna be held accountable to this podcast. So
Okay.
what up? The podcast, yay or nay?
Yeah, it's in.
It's in. All right, we in. So remember, if you don't see it, it's because he's holding it up.
I ain't holding out.
All right. So yo, best example of black don't crack, right? Now you're in the best shape of your life. Like, and of course you've made that change, that transformation. Like, he showed me some previous pictures like 20 some years ago. So for that guy who might be at that 20-year point where you were, like, what was that switch that you had in your mind that made you was like, yo, I gotta get my shit together?
Just realizing that you've been doing it for so long, like, there are times when you get burnt out. You gotta realize that. Get your rest on and stay motivated, because physically, you can be better than you were 20 years ago. It's just about not giving up. Understand that constantly training your body to be better is something that your body loves to do. So the older you get, the better you're gonna get at it.
Yo, I couldn't put it together better than that. So if you need some assistance, hit us up, because this is our profession. Ooh, the lighting is pretty
better,
hell,
yeah, right?
I know, yeah.
I was black as a
Look at
motherfucker
that.
before. You can see me now. Look, there I am.
Oh, yeah. So if you need any assistance, he's doing some online coaching too. So I'll leave his contact in the description below. Yo, if you want to look as good as he is, yo, Ron, do you want to tell him how old you are?
Do they want to know?
Do you want to know?
I'll give you a second to guess. Guess.
Guess. Put it in the comments how old this guy is. Boom.
I gotta tell him now?
Yeah, tell him.
41.
41 today, all right? So no BSing. If you want to look good like that at 41, get on it today, all right? Let's get it. So we back at the crib and it's dinner time. Feeding this little guy. Wanted to throw on the camera and test this lighting situation. So right now I have that Viltrox lighting kit on the top of the M5, and it's illuminating pretty well. We have the Viltrox lighting kit, and then we have my dinner light. We're in the dining room right now, so. And we also got the Boy shotgun mic as well. So it's like a pretty interesting setup. Let me see if you could see it through the mirror. See that right there? But yeah, feeding this little nugget right now. And let's give it some more of these puffs. And yeah, Ron, happy birthday, my man. And like, yo, keep motivating these young bulls out here, man, because there's 2 types of 40s. There's the 40 or 41. Yeah, that looks like him. Hold up. And then there's the 40 that I don't even have to describe. You can see them in everyday life, like the sedentary 40-year-old, right? So if you want your body right, start now. And like 40 is going to be the next milestone for me. And I'm like aspiring to be as close to that as I can. Right? Anyways, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment box. I'm also going to leave his link below. So if you want to do his online coaching, hit him up and then you guys can work something out together. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Holla.